Hey everyone!
We're back again with Somebody Cares Tampa Bay for another amazing community event. For over 25 years, Somebody Cares Tampa Bay has been making a difference, serving the elderly, veterans, single parents, and the disabled with critical home repairs and yard work. As the military veteran team with LPT Realty, we're proud to stand shoulder to shoulder in this mission year after year. This quarter, we took our outreach to the next level, using listing power tools from LPT Realty to circle prospect the local neighborhood. Thanks to the door hangers and print marketing from our listing power pack, we invited over 45 neighbors to join us for a day of service, connection, and community barbecue.
Here is Larry Fisher, founder and CEO of the military veteran team, to tell us more.
We have our community event today at 174 11th Street Southwest, Largo, where we have a tent set up, a little barbecue set up, and a project where Somebody Cares Tampa Bay. So we have folks, Bob and Candy, they were hurricane victims where they had wind-driven rain that came into their house. We're rehanging the drywall, and we had a barbecue. We circle prospect the entire neighborhood, reached out to 45 homeowners. They came in, they checked out our event. They had some hot dogs and hamburgers that we barbecued for them, and been a great event today. Actually got some listing opportunities, and we'll show you the before and after photos. Crew hanging out. We met some neighbors, and been about listing their houses. Some veterans that bumped into us as well. But overall, a great day, great event, and we're with military veteran team at LPT Realty.
6 neighbors came out just from our outreach alone, proving that when you pair service with smart tools, you get real results. We were there to serve, and it's all part of LPT's hyper-local outreach strategy. And with every outreach, we get to meet new faces, help restore homes, and build real community relationships. From door knocking to drywall, this is what it's all about. Thank you to Somebody Cares Tampa Bay and to all who showed up to help. If you want to be part of the next one, stay tuned. We've got more coming. With the right tools and the right mission, we're not just showing up, we're making an impact.